gotta let go of the pornography. You gotta let go of masturbation. You gotta let go. You gotta let go of flirting. You gotta let go of sleeping and midnight tripping. You gotta let go. Once you get positioned properly spiritually, come hell or high water, no matter what comes against you, you will not be defeated. Yes, folks are talking against you. Yes, there's trouble in your home. Yes, there may be trouble in your finance. Yes, there may be trouble with your children. Yes, there may be trouble in your marriage. But when you're positioned spiritually, greater is he that's in you than he that's in the world. The Bible says I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me when I'm positioned right.